Alrighty, it's time for Inktober. Let's do the next one, which looks like it's going to be dancing. That'll be interesting. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Let's see. Which piece of paper do I want? Does that look like dancing? Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that one for dancing. Why not? Turn it, turn it, turn it. What do you see? Do you see anything dancing? I want pink. This girl's got a lot of hair. She's got a weird hat. And she's got oh, why did I do that? Don't know why I did that. Well, that's fair. She got a little pointy there in the corner. Don't know about this one. She's quite busty. She needs something in her hand. Don't know what that is. Some kind of twirly thing with ribbons on it. There we go. I have no idea what that is, but it's Inktober. Who knows? That's very strange. Her feet are, her knees are, something's not quite right here with her hips, but it is what it is. It came out super quick. Like, zzz. That's what my Inktober's usually tend to be. Like, they just come out. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you later. Bye-bye.